Hi teacher, my name is Laura Correa and my classmate David Santiago Malagon and explain the business analyze model.
The key activities are manufacture of highly quality vehicles, integration of digital services, and sale and export of vehicles. The channels are web page, social networks, email, and physical points. The relationship with the client is the main relationship that wants with the client is the possibility of living an experience in which technology is used to experience a different space with a car with all the cutting edge technology comforts that make the trajectory more satisfactory. On the customer segments is animated mainly at the people who have economic comfort and access. This services is quite expensive for all the benefits it brings and also because, as you know, cutting edge technology is always expensive.
Then I talk about the key audience. Among the main key audience, there must be those who provide the connection that must be facilitated with the cloud. You must also have a very important area with good internet access, with a good GPS that facilitates the location and helps facilitate some tasks that turn out to be a bit complicated for some drivers or passengers. The key resources are very important. Segments and we will have full control of what goes that will happen in the business model and go hand with the ADIS and the technology that is handled. The value proposal, the driver passenger experience of being able to access a large number of cloud service directly from the comfort of the car, facilitating various driver tasks such as optimizing travel and time and real-time location and making the drive more attractive for the passenger. And for the cost structure, within the cost structure is the raw material in the fields on the refinements of the technology association and all the models that must be taken into account. And the income structure represents all the profiles that will be had as they are when a car is sold, and the spare parts when a car needs a repair in the authorized place, and the publicity that will be obtained, among the other things. And the business model of Canva is very important for the technology topics. Are some different things that study in different aspects and for the different topics that present in some aspects in the technological life.